Welcome to our YouTube channel Score Band. Here you will get tips and tricks about how to get good band scores in exam. In this video you will learn about a sample answer of a cue card, describe an unusual meal you had. But before starting the cue card, we request you that, if you have any queries related to any cue card, you are free to ask us in the comments section, and we will try to solve your queries as soon as possible, and make sure to subscribe the channel. So let's get started with the cue card. Describe an unusual meal you had. Here is the sample answer. Well, my family usually enjoys our dinner at home with simple and traditional dishes, but there was an occasion we had a very special meal together in a fancy restaurant. It was around 3 years ago when I was tied up in revision for my final examination. After that high-pressure time, I passed the exam with flying colors, so my dad decided to ease my mind by taking the whole family to a Western restaurant for enjoying a cozy meal together. That dinner was a little unusual to my family because we had never eaten in such a luxurious restaurant, so my mother and I were very surprised at that time. This French restaurant is located in downtown Ho Chi Minh City. Because it is situated in a well-trodden area, this restaurant welcomes hundreds of guests every night. The food here, therefore, wasn't very budget-friendly. Actually, it cost my family an arm and a leg, which made this dinner even more special to me. Even though my dad is not the kind of person who makes a killing, he was still willing to take my mom and me to such a restaurant as a reward for my hard work. So I really appreciated him for that. I really enjoyed this dinner because it really helped me to relieve everyday stress and chill out after long hard-working days. Besides, this unusual meal was also a very good chance for us to strengthen our family bond because we all have been so busy for a long time. In the future, I will try to earn a lot of money to take my family to wonderful places like this to try different cuisines and outstanding dishes like lobster, abalone, and salmon. So this was the sample answer, and if you still face any difficulties, then ask your doubts in comments section.